Guys, welcome back to the Escapades. It's awesome, it's new, it's refreshing, and welcome to another episode of the Escapades. So today we are in Sagana. It's a place called Havila Resort. The Sagana Nairobi Highway. We are here for a small event, a family event, and I decided to take you along to show you the beauty and fauna and flora of Kenya. So I'm going to take you along. It's around 2 hours from Nairobi town. Not 2 hours, let's say around an hour also, yeah, depending with your speed limit and all that. So we are here for a few hours, like 2-3 hours. I'm going to try as much as possible to show you the everything from the campsite to the rapids of the Sagana River, I think so, to the other things you can do here. You can do bungee jumping, you can do water bolt something, what's it called, you can do boat riding, you can do water rafting and so many other things. And the ambience is so cool, it's so amazing. I've never been here, this is my first time, though I'm from around this area. But anyway, whatever we do, so let's just go to the next part of this video. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, please like. We are almost reaching 1,000 subscribers, so guys, please give me the support, yeah, and thank you. So see you in the next one. So I'm walking down, as you can see, way far, around 200 to 300 meters from the highway, the Sagana highway. I'm walking to Havila. It's around 200 or 300 meters from the Sagana Nairobi highway. Yeah. So, but it has a very big billboard, which I'm going to show you guys. So that in case you would want to come, you'll have fun and you'll enjoy your visit, man. I am that guy. I try to bring you the best of the travel vlogs when I can. I've been a bit off guard, guys. I'm sorry. I've been offline for around a month. I'm so sorry about that, but we are back, guys. We are back to more adventures. Plus, this corona and all that curfew and the restrictions of movement, they really put my spirits down, man. So anyway, we are back. I'm happy, yeah, and I'm going to show you around. So guys, as you can see, you're here hapo, yeah. So hello guys, welcome to Havila Island. Kenya is beautiful, my people. Have you been to this place? Have you been here? Shika fungo. Wow. So in case you want to come here for camping, this is how it looks. Yeah? Guys, look at Mr. Hippopotamus here. And the amazing lizard that was defaced. The bamboo trees. The ambience here, my friend, is so nice. So nice. A walkthrough video of Havila.